here we have Tableau, a data visualization tool, and we have Netflix data. So basically, we will be going to visualize TV shows, how many number of movies, ratings for those, and uh, respectively, we will be going to build a dashboard. As mentioned earlier, Tableau is a data visualization tool which has many features and number of features which like there are Tableau developers in the market. Particularly, they just work on Tableau, nothing else. So Tableau is a very big concept, but we'll get basic understanding of that, like how we can build interactive dashboard today, and how to present it to the stakeholder. So next slide, flow of the session, we'll just we'll do with the introduction with the topic, and how do the like basically application of business dashboard, then visualization tools and industry applications, and then we'll jump on to the live data. So that's today's agenda. So there is one kind of thing that is a tabular form. So this is a tabular form of data, and this is a dash. So how do you feel like? Is this readable, or is this attractive, or this, or the stakeholders would be interested to go through this tabular form? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? If yes, why? Okay. So it doesn't seem great, Prithvi. I think you have answered this question pretty much. So this particular tabular form is not much a storytelling kind of thing. It's just a set of numbers and set of string values there in a table format. It is a structured format, but it is a better way. There is a better way to show story through data. I mean, data through story here in dashboard form. So the data is same. Data is purely same, but you can see that the picture on the right hand side seems pretty much interesting. So what is it? Is a dashboard. How we can build? We can build it on Tableau. We can build it on maybe Power BI. We can build it on maybe Data Studio. So there are a lot of platforms out there in the market where you can build this data. So we'll do one thing. We will just start off uh, with the dataset we have today. So let's jump on the Tableau now for the Netflix dataset. So let me just start the software Tableau. There was some issue which is coming in Tableau because Tableau requires a paid version. Just check if I can start it now, and then we can just jump on that. By the way, if you I'll just uh, highlight those columns where headings, I mean column headings. So we have today we have this data set. So in dataset we have show ID. So this is a Netflix dataset. We have type, is it a movie or a TV show? We have the title of the movie or TV show correspondingly. We have type. We have directors, the name of the movie or TV show. We have cast. What is the cast of the movie or a TV show? Same. We have country. We have date. We have release year. We have rating. We have duration of a movie or a TV show kind of thing. We have category, there we have description. So out of this we will build some visualizations on tab. Let me just check if I have I'm done with that. I think okay. So can you guys tell me in the chat section how do you want to visualize those fields? We have a lot of fields here. How do you want to visualize it? Like maybe on ratings, maybe on genre. How do you want, like what will be top 5 things you will find out from this data? Actionable insights, what will be that? It can be one of the interviewer question, like interviewer gives you the data set and asks you what will be the key insight or actionable insight. I mean, which what chart or what fields you will use for this chart. What exactly in ratings? How will be you state? You have to give a statement to the uh, interviewer, right? So how will you give that? What will be the statement? Exact statement. And be like, maybe I'm just giving you a hint, like top 10 movies with highest rating, something like that. Or what will be the actionable thing? Rating listed in, like what in rating and what in, like what exactly in listed in. Can you please break it down more? I'll just make it 50%, then I will easily be able to stretch this, and should be fine. Yeah, guys, I'm still open for your answers. Let me know whatever comes to your mind. Listed in and rating is somewhere around you are, but still, if you can again improvise your answer. Like you are correct to some extent. Let me just check if I have, if the tableau is ready. It is taking some time. It is taking. Okay, not an issue. We'll just wait for a couple of minutes. ठीक है. Okay. So what exactly you will find out from this? ठीक है. TV and crime shows. Okay. So listed in you are talking about क्या? ठीक है. Not in. So how many of this is a numerical variable? One thing, guys. How many of this columns is are numerical variable, and how many of those columns are categorical variable? Can you tell me? Tell me the answer. How many of those are numerical variable, and how many of those in the table present here is categorical variable? Another question for you guys, which will help you for better understanding in, like maybe data analysis and all. Like it will help you in your interviews as well. How many of the columns in this table are categorical variable, and how many columns are numerical variable? And how many of are constant variable? So basically, one more thing about Tableau. Tableau is a Salesforce product. So Salesforce is a big company. Public public will do it. Release here. What about if this is a numerical column? What about show ID?